Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to enable mix on Spotify. So what the mix means is how to just have a mix of how you want your playlist to be like, and your songs as well. So you just need to pick up a playlist you want to set, and this is where the mix is supposed to be, around here. But unfortunately it's only available for premium users, right? So you have to subscribe and be a premium user on Spotify in order to get the mix on this app. So once you get the mix, you get to have a transition on your songs and music, to have a good taste of music as well. So all you need to do is click on premium and try to subscribe, and note that this mix is only available to some premium users, not all the premium users, because it's still rolling out to some regions, right? If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.